Hi everyone, this video is to show you how to add the new testimonial tree widget to the home page in your Remarketer website. So currently we have been adding testimonials manually by copying and pasting from Real Satisfied or anywhere else where you've received a testimonial, copying and pasting or typing in testimonials through Web Tools and the testimonials module in the Web Tools of Remarketer. So you won't have to do that anymore because of the automation this new widget will have to automatically have testimonials appear on your homepage. So you're going to start by logging into Remarketer. So go to realtor.remarketer.ca with your email and password, log in, which takes you to the dashboard. And next you'll go to the brokerage hub. You'll find the new testimonial tree link available to you now. So you're going to start by clicking on testimonial tree and logging into your Google Century 21 account. So it's single sign on, so you should have that email and password in your account already. This is the testimonial tree program. I won't be showing you how to use the program. This video, like I said, is simply to show you how to get the widget on your website. I will be including the link to training in Campus 21 TV, so you can take a look about how to operate the program here. So the first thing is to go to the widgets on the menu on the left side and click on it, and then go to manage widgets. When you get in there, you'll see that there are 3 different types of widgets: the carousel with photos, classic carousel without photos, and top to bottom list. You can go into the little eye here, preview eye, and see what each looks like. And this is the second one. And the third one. This one is the one that goes vertically up and down. So instead of the carousels which go horizontally side to side. So this takes up a lot more space. Additionally, I actually don't recommend the first one or the third one for another reason. As you would have seen, there is a button that visitors to your website would potentially just add testimonials and you may never know them. And so you don't want someone leaving a negative testimonial, obviously. So it's better to control it, I'd say, by not having that feature available to users, to visitors. So I'm going to suggest you use the classic carousel without photos because it doesn't have the ability to add visitors to add testimonials. So click on Get Code, and the code is here, and you can simply click on Copy. That copies it to your clipboard. So go back to Remarketer, and you're going to go to the drop down in the upper right corner, System Config, then down to Website Design. From here, you're going to go to Sections. We have code that exists on the website already in Custom Section 1, so I'm going to use Custom Section 2. It doesn't matter which of the 5 sections you use because only one will, anything that has code in it is what appears on your website. So you just paste in the code that we copied to the clipboard by either right-clicking and paste or using the key code of Control-V. Once you've pasted in that code, scroll down and save. And that's it. It's going to appear on your website. So let's go take a look at how that looks By clicking on the globe in the upper right, visit website will open a tab to your website. So we're going to scroll down and take a look. So here we go. So we've got that the testimonials have come in. It's a carousel without photos, and you can scroll to see 5. I'm on 5 of 7, 6 of 7. See all the testimonials. Now there are some features in Testimonial Tree where you can modify, you can favorite and that kind of thing. But like I said, that's other training that is not offered in this video. So I'm going to show you one more thing, because as we see here, the testimonials are below the featured properties, and I'm going to show you how to move them around. Perhaps you want them a little lower down on the home page. And so I'm going to show you how to do that. So go back to website configuration and go to the tab homepage. Here you can see how your homepage is structured. Even though you may see more custom sections in this structure, like I said, only the ones that are populated with code will actually show up on your site. So even though we know that there was nothing in custom section 3, so that actually doesn't appear. So if you wanted to, you could remove it. But I know that custom section 2 is where we pasted that code. So as we saw, it was below featured properties, and I'm going to move it down. So you can simply drag and drop. So let's say we want to put it below the services here. So you just click on it, hold your left mouse button down, or however you do that, and drag and drop into position. I actually don't recommend that you put the section near the recent news, because it changes the format from a horizontal carousel type of format to a vertical list type format. That's a code issue that is not covered in this video, but I'm just recommending keep the section away from the news unless you like that format. So once you've dragged and dropped, save the changes. Go back to your website and let's refresh the browser. So as you remember, we had it below the featured properties, and now it's by the services. Below the services, there are services, and there are the testimonials. So move down above recently listed properties. So that's basically it. So I hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. My email address is customer.support@century21.ca. Thanks.